Hi, guys. Welcome to week 13. This is a really fun week as we talk about utilizing multimedia and getting those different types of resources into your lessons. And so I know when you were evaluating websites, most of you did just web pages that had a lot of text. And I made comments about making sure there were images or videos or some type of other multimedia whenever you choose your resources for your HyperDocs lesson. And that's what I want you to be thinking about in this during this week when you're looking at these resources, exploring those. So you're going to choose one video, one audio, and one image resource to explore, and make sure the ones that you look at have student created examples, because we're really looking at how students can use these things too, not just the resources you give to them, but also how they can use them to create something. So when I talk about creating on your HyperDoc, I'm talking about having that available for your students to create, not just do a Kahoot game or a quizzes or Quizlet, but to actually have them create something that they have to really think about, critical thinking, creativity. They have to communicate what they're learning. So audio, video, and images are a great way to do that. And so you're going to choose those from those links, and then you're going to create a Flipgrid, because this is creating a video as a student. And then you could have your own students do that as well. And so you're going to post your thoughts, make sure you have some information there that you see. Remember, you only get 5 minutes. And this is the only thing that's due this week, but it is due by Tuesday midnight. And the reason I did that is because I want you to start um, working a little bit more on your HyperDocs lesson, but also you can look at next week, the digital tool exploration. So you might read about some tools this week that then you want to go back and look at or play around with next week. And so I would recommend, since you have only your Flipgrid due this week, I would suggest that you go and look at next week digital tools exploration, so then you can get your HyperDocs lesson going. And that will be the last thing that's due in the class. It'll be due week 15. And then this class will be done. So that is really it for this class. So as you're exploring your multimedia, be thinking about your own HyperDocs lesson, what your students can use to be collaborative, to be creative, and communicate what they are learning. And that is really it for this week. I hope you have a great week and get outside and enjoy the sunshine.